Hi Silhouette users, this is Debbie here with another video tutorial. In some of my previous tutorials I've shown you how to use your tools to design your own cutting files. I've recently just made a video tutorial showing you how to use your borders to make doily shapes. In this one here I'm going to show you how to use some of your other designs like I've used, for example this little flourish motif right here. Okay, we're going to start out by drawing a circle, and I'm going to hold down the shift key, and I would like it to be about 4 by 4. Okay, that's a little larger than I wanted, but no problems. I'm just going to go up here to my scale tool, and I'm going to select lock aspect ratio and just type a 0 right there after I highlighted that and hit apply. Now I have a perfect 4 by 4 circle. Okay, since I've done this, now we're going to go to the next thing. We're going to go to our alignment tool. I want this circle to be in the middle of the page. So I'm going to select center to page. And then over here with your grid settings, you'll see that you have crosshairs and rulers. I turn on my rulers because these are going to make my guides. So I want to make sure I have show guides and snap to guides turned on. So doing this, I'm going to bring this guide here towards the center and this guide here towards the center there. Now selecting my circle, I click on it and it snaps right to the middle. So we have a perfect alignment. After this is done, go over there and grab your design, motif, whatever you want to use, and we're going to line this up as well, right to the center, but then I'm going to scoot it down right to the top of this circle. Now I'm going to zoom in so I can show you something. Okay, with this motif selected, you'll see this circle with crosshairs in it. This is what you're going to grab a hold of and bring it down towards the center of the circle. So I'm going to go back to fit to page so I can do this. Okay, grabbing this circle, drag this down right there so it fits in between these two lines and it's a perfect alignment. Okay, now that I have this done, I just want to hop over here by clicking on the replicate window. And then down here at the bottom, we're going to go to Advanced Options. As you can see, I already have these selected because I did a test run before I made this video. So I figured I needed 17 of these at a 20-degree angle that I just typed in, which you can highlight and just type in your 20. And then all I have to do now is hit the replicate. There we go. All aligned up and they're going to weld nicely together. Let's zoom in and show that. See how they overlap? So I know they're going to weld nicely together. Okay, now I'm going to select my circle and I'm going to go over here to my offset window. Selecting offset, and you can choose the offset where you would like it. I'm going to now move this down by sliding it down because I want it to weld right about here. So since I have my weld circle, I can delete the original circle I started with. So I'm just going to delete that out. And using my cursor, I'm going to drag over all of these, or you can select, let me click off this and show you, Control A. And you select everything, and then just go down here to the bottom and select weld, and it'll take a couple of seconds because it's a lot of little pieces in there. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and move these guides out of the way for you so you can get a better look at what I just created and what you can create. And to even get a better look, I always like to fill these with color when I'm doing videos so you can see. So there you go. A very easy way to make your own doilies. And one other thing someone had asked me is if I could do this in an oval shape. And basically what I did is I just kind of moved the sides inward and then down and stretched it a bit to get an oval shape. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I hope you get a chance to stop by and visit me at my blog, www.paperpaws.blogspot.com. Have a happy crafting day. See you. Bye now.